Hello, welcome. This is the first video. I have mostly made this channel for my own reason, so I can improve at being a trader and maybe become profitable. But if anyone watches this and can use it and learn from it, then it will also be very good. So today I had two trades. One I had planned before the day, RNDR, and one I saw when I came home. The FLM trade, it didn't go that well. The idea was that it had dropped down and it would retrace again, as it did. It came up to the fib range, which is the strategy I'm playing, and it made this pretty nice curve I'm aiming for. I entered pretty badly. I could easily have gotten up here somewhere, but I got an entry here, and my strategy, I have always two levels behind, which was here, and we moved, it was up here, and it here, and actually 3 this time. But this area became the trigger area, so when it would hit, when it come back, I will get out. So that was the plan, and as you can see, it consolidated. It broke. At here I was quite worried that it would get full stopped out. That would be a $20 loss, but it did come back, and it consolidated a bit over here, so I got out. I mostly exit when there's been small consolidation. So I got out. Unfortunately, it had just come back again, but that's what happens sometimes. But at least I didn't get the $20 loss. But if it would have been successful, would have got broken here and got around the same wave size as the previous, which is what I'm typically aiming for, and I broke with a lower low or higher high if it's along. So it was okay, but I could easily have gone in almost zero. I think the ideal exit would have been around here. So the other trade is still live. It's RNDR, where I've been looking out for this quite a long time. Where it before, where it came down here and ran up pretty clean. Now it has gone down from down here and up here and hit around the fib range, where it could bounce off and buy a high. But thing came down here, which where I had my alert. It ran and it came back perfectly to shorter term fib range, which I call it between 0.5 and 0.618. I entered, delete some of this, it's quite busy right now. And then I put an entry exactly here at the bottom, also when it made a good wave and came back and consolidated a bit. Then it ran pretty nice, actually, almost perfectly, breaking high, making a good trend, came down again. Then I used the the famous trader Tom Haugaard, Tom Haugaard, also Danish, but then it consolidated here. I added to the trade, which Tom Haugaard always does, or sometimes, and it came perfectly up here again. I would have added here, but I unfortunately didn't balance. But it ran up nicely now. It's here, and I've reduced my risk to under this at this alert right here. So right now we need it to break. It doesn't seem like it's wanna break, but I have reduced the risk to 0, so that will be fine. And if it would have gone the other way, I have had this level down here to be the trigger level, and this level here to be the extra. Yeah. So that was, I think, the trades for today. So Bybit looked better earlier, but it's still okay. We have the $15 right now. It was $12, which I lost the FLM trade. Maybe I should get out when it gets up here. So that was the first video. Hope you guys could get something out of it. At least I can. So thanks for watching.